How to reset your Gmail account password. Make sure to watch the video to the end. You don't make any mistake. First of all, type in your Gmail account in this section. Tap on next. So for now, as you can see, if I type my password, I forgot the password. Wrong password. Tap on this forgot password. So now it will verify me and send me a verification code using my phone number. So now as you can see, it says get verification code through my phone number. Here is the end of the phone number. Tap on this send. So as you can see now, it says a text message with 6-digit verification code was just sent to my phone number. So I'll just wait for the code. So here is the code now. You just verify the code automatic. So tap on this section, choose where you want to sign in. So tap on this section. I've already linked my Gmail account to it, so I'll just tap on this one or this one. So I'll just tap on this second one. So now it will send me a verification code through the Gmail account that I link to my Gmail account. So if I swipe up, as you can see, here is the code now. Here is the code 938358. So type the code here, 938358. Tap on this next. So tap on this update password. Create new password. Save password. Tap on this change password. Tap on this agree. So from now you can go back and sign in again. So that's it guys on how to reset your Gmail password. If this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.